In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and download your W-2 form from BambooHR. To begin, log into your BambooHR account. Once logged in, click on the My Info option from the left-hand side menu to access your profile. Where your W-2 form appears depends on how your employer has uploaded it. If your company uses the BambooHR payroll system, you may find a Pay Info section within your profile from where you can access it. If your company does not use BambooHR Payroll, your W-2 form will typically be stored in the Documents section. Browse through any available folders to locate the document uploaded by your employer. W-2 forms are usually made available in January for the previous tax year. Once you locate the form, you can download it to verify that your personal information. The Pay Info and Documents sections are the only places to access your W-2 form within BambooHR. If you cannot locate your W-2 in either section, you should contact your employer or HR department to request a copy manually. And this is how you can access your W-2 form in BambooHR.